Hey everyone, welcome back to the Race 5 Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are making some super easy and amazingly delicious chicken fajitas on the Blackstone. Let's go! Thanks for hanging in there. Let's get these started. First thing we're going to do is chop up our veggies. For our chicken fajitas, we like bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. We're not going to touch the mushrooms, they came pre-sliced. So all we're going to do is do a quick cut of these. This is a quick little method that I like doing here. Just cut the top, a little bit of the bottom off. Then you can easily cut around here. Pop that core out. Quick slice, open it up, and you can just go ahead and cut. Get rid of that white stuff. That's usually a little bit bitter. Unless you like keeping it in there, then go ahead. There's one pepper. Again, love that process of cutting it. You just do a quick hack off the top, quick hack off the bottom. Do a quick cut around this core here. Pop it out. Boom, wide open. Again, I like cutting this white stuff out here. Last one. Have our peppers cut up. I'm going to put these in a bowl here because we're going to transfer these over to the Blackstone. Give myself some room to cut up this onion. So let's clear these out of the way. Always give my onions just a quick little slit there. Get that skin off. Now I don't know if this is the right way to cut onions or not, but it works for me. We have our peppers cut up. We have our onions cut up. We have our mushrooms. We're gonna put this off to the side for now, and then we're gonna go pull out our chicken. We're gonna do something similar to the chicken where we're gonna dice it up and cube it up. So let's get that chicken and cut it up. We have our chicken, some nice sized chicken breasts here. These are gonna be great, but first thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I cut mine up. I know a lot of restaurants, they can do real thin strip. We like ours a little meatier, a little chunkier. So let me show you how we do it here. Real easy. I just cut these into strips. And then cut them into cubes. There you have it. For bigger pieces like this, I go ahead and I still give them another cut here. This one here, get a couple cuts. Because this is gonna go pretty hot and quick on the Blackstone, but you wanna make sure that it gets cooked all the way through since you're dealing with poultry here. Okay, that one's cut, and we're gonna put it in the bowl. Do these last two same way. Cut a strip, then cube it. Any of these bigger ones you feel, go ahead, cut in half again. You know, cut them how you like to cut them. In the end, it's all gonna be delicious anyway, so. All right, that one's in the bowl also. And then we're gonna get this last one done here. These are some fatties here, so these are gonna be good. It's good to use a nice sharp knife too. You can see I'm using my Vostede knife here and the Morgan series. Man, this thing is sharp. And it's super light too, which is something I'm not quite used to, but it's real nice. Get some of these little guys in here. Give some of these bigger guys some more cuts here. All right, chicken is cubed and ready to go. We have our veggies sliced and ready to go. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the Blackstone fired up and we're gonna put these veggies on. It seems to me veggies take a little bit longer to soften up and get to where we want. So we're gonna throw these veggies on first. So let's go get the Blackstone fired up and get these veggies on. Blackstone is fired up. Time to get these veggies on. So the first thing we're gonna do, right now we have this heating up on high. I'm gonna turn these down to about a medium right now. I'm gonna hit this with some oil, just using a little vegetable oil here. And then we're gonna throw these veggies on. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. We're gonna get this mixed up. We're gonna season these veggies with Pork Mafia's Bistecmafia. Use whatever fajita or Mexican seasoning you like. This is one of my favorites, so we're gonna use this always as a favorite. Go ahead and give it a nice liberal coating of seasoning. And let's get this mixed in. This is coming along great. We're gonna let these veggies cook until they're about done, and then we're gonna move them to a low heat side. We're gonna turn that heat all the way down right before we put the chicken on. We'll be back when it's time to put the chicken on and show you where our veggies are at. All right, let's check it on the veggies. If I tell you that it's smelling amazing out here, you gotta trust me, because these onions and peppers are smelling fantastic. Now these are just about where we wanted to be, so we're just gonna move them off to the side, low heat, and get our chicken on. We're gonna hit this with some oil for the chicken. And then dump that chicken on. Chicken side is on medium low heat also. The grill was nice and hot. We're gonna also season this with the Pork Mafia Bistecmafia. Great flavors for any Mexican dish. So let's hit this with some seasoning. You find some bigger pieces like this still, go ahead, hack them in half. You got the tools. This could also be done on a cast iron pan in the house or on the grill. But if you got a Blackstone, I highly recommend it. Now we're gonna cook this chicken until it's all the way cooked through. You don't want any bits and pieces of raw chicken in there. So you gotta make sure that this is cooked thoroughly. And then we're gonna add everything together. We're gonna hit that veggie mix with the chicken, mix it all up, and that's when it's really gonna pop. Chicken's about done. Let's take a look. Now this chicken's looking fantastic, and you know it's done when you cut a piece in half and it's white all the way through. That's what you're looking for. That's when you know it's done. Now we're gonna mix this together, and this is where it all becomes one. This is all put together. Let's take it off and try it out. Here you have it. Now for the best part, time to eat. Take a tortilla, you can warm it up, don't warm it up. These I didn't warm up. Feel free, do what you want. I love a little Valentina. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Absolutely love this. Tortilla's falling apart, that's why I eat it up. This recipe always comes out amazing. Super easy to do on the Blackstone. You could also do it in a pan or whatever you have to do, but try this simple recipe. If you like what we did here, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, let us know how we're doing, and we'll see you around. Also check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers, everybody. Peace.